In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Zoho Books account, and we'll do it all in just 5 minutes. So whether you're stepping away from Zoho for good or just looking to clean up your online footprint, I'll guide you through each step with ease. Deleting an account might seem intimidating, but together we'll walk through the process with clarity and confidence. First things first, we need to head over to the Zoho Books website. You can easily find this by typing Zoho Books into your favorite search engine, or directly entering the URL if you have it handy. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Trust me, this is where it all begins, so it's important to feel at home here. When you're all set, locate the Sign In button. This is typically found in the upper right hand corner of the page, waiting there like a helpful guide to lead you inside. Next, it's time to enter your login details. In this step, you'll need to use the email address associated with your Zoho account and your password. It's important to ensure these are entered correctly to avoid any frustration. But if passwords aren't your cup of tea, or you prefer the convenience of linked accounts, Zoho offers another option. You can sign in using your Google account. It's a seamless process and just requires a few clicks. Click on the Google sign in option, follow the prompts, and you'll be seamlessly logged into your account. Once you're inside, navigate your way over to your account's dashboard. This is where all the action takes place. Think of it as your personal control center. Spend a moment admiring how everything is organized before we dive a little deeper. Now your eyes should be on the lookout for your account's profile icon. This is usually displayed as a small circle, often with your initials or a profile picture if you've uploaded one. Click on this little icon to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Among these, look for My Account. Click on this tab, which will take you into a deeper layer of account settings. Here you are shifting closer to the heart of your account management. As we plunge deeper, our journey leads us to yet another section, Settings. Click on this option to unravel yet another layer of your account's ecosystem. Here, in the quiet serenity of your settings, you'll find various options designed to tailor your account experience. But today we're focusing on a specific mission, closing your account. You'll notice there's a close account option waiting quietly for you. Go ahead and click on it. This is where we make the decisive move to delete your account. Before confirming, make sure to review any important data or files you might still need. Account closure is permanent, and any information stored here will be lost forever. It might be useful to take some time to download or back up crucial files. Now, as you stand at the threshold, review the consequences of this action one final time to ensure this is the right move for you. Zoho might prompt you to answer a few questions or offer some feedback. It could be about improving their services or just understanding why you're leaving. These aren't obligatory, but it's always good to leave constructive feedback. Once you're ready, confirm the closure and let Zoho do its magic. The process might take a couple of moments or minutes, so enjoy your newfound digital liberation as your account smoothly transitions into oblivion. And there you have it. A few simple steps and you've successfully deleted your Zoho Books account. It's empowering to take control of your digital footprint, and it's important to understand that every account closure brings a little more clarity to our digital lives. Thank you for joining me on this journey today, and remember, whether it's for privacy reasons or simply cutting down on unused accounts, decluttering your digital world is always a worthy pursuit. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Have a great day and stay tech savvy.